thrillmousemoto, something like that.
Yo, we're gonna slow some stuff down on this video. Now, this isn't a how-to video, but we're pretty much gonna show a video of us changing out Ryan's boo-boo yellow dull stock headlights on his Rykers 600. Same thing you've seen on mine. I got those LEDs from SlingMods. They do a pretty cool intro video or a little how-to video with my boy Brandon on there. And that's kind of showing you a really crappy focus of it, but I typed it down there for the bottom. So slingmods.com, check it out. Some of the contents that we'll get to, because I don't know if I really show them when we start filming. Let's just do it. Got the little lamps in there and a little deal. But I want to show you this real quick. Sneak preview of a new contender in the 3-wheel challenge of our channel of thrillmousemoto and 3-wheel stuff. That's a drift trike. I don't know if you know about it, but you should look up some videos. This is like a triad, which is like some pro drift trike model. I don't know, but got it off a dude off of Facebook Marketplace. It has a busted tube. Ryan switches it out for me. He actually did it like, I think like this night that I filmed this, or the night after when I was like taking a nap, and I come out, he's on the patio like Santa Claus. And I'm like, Santa Claus, go back to sleep. But it's done. And, well, not in this video, but in real time, it's actually done. And it's pretty cool. So we'll see some cool stuff with that. Why not add another 3-wheel device to the channel? So I actually have some other little things coming, but wanted to force that on you and sneak it on you just to see a little prelude to what's to come. But it's pretty sweet. Also, I haven't really given an update on the Ryker shower cap since like literally my first video I ever made. And this is what the sun is doing to this thing. Isn't that crazy? I mean, this is why I use it. I'm trying to get you a good view of the bottom of how dark it used to be. You can probably just go back to that video and really see it. It's insane. Now, it's not that dark as the inside liner, but just trying to give you some contrast to it. That's that Ultra Guard that I said like I mostly go over in that first video I made. I took a little update. I took off the little bungees with little hooks. They were just getting caught on everything. Taking it off, putting it on, and I didn't use them. So it made my life a lot easier because I always keep the cover on. And like as you can tell, the sun damage on it, period. But the reason why I'm really showing this is it's like, to me, that's important because I just feel like that's how much drain it can get, my Ryker could get, the body could get, the plastic could get, the seat could get if I didn't have that cover just from the sun. That's just nuts, man. So I recommend a cover. Doesn't have to be that one. So, and this is just showing what the Chiquita Banana Rykers 600s headlights are on right now. And it's the same LEDs that you can get from SlingMods. And actually, I was looking at it earlier today. And I saw, just to get the actual name and price and everything, there's like a newer model. It costs a little bit more, but
I've just been trying to separate that. About to go get the puller. I like how we have like 3 different pullers for that, but Ryan's gonna use his new fancy knife.
yeah, we get the right tools. Use the right tools, guys. And if you're not familiar, you have to pop off these panels to pretty much do everything on the Ryker. And it's really just like 4 on each panel. And they just pop off. And there's like a little one that just pops at the bottom there. The last one you saw. It's pretty easy. Get you a little interior car puller or whatever you're calling that. So
bugs in there. See that?
No, that's like grass. Oh,
that looks like
oh, that is a bug, dude. That's like a smashed hornet thing.
And in there too, there's like a
Or
butterfly.
Oh yeah, Mothman prophecies. I don't think we're gonna get good focuses on this video because of the light, but
Can it still sting you after death? Like a...
Was it snake when you chop its head off? Or is that... That's not even real. Is that on a cartoon? No, that's from Princess Mononoke. A wolf's head can still bite when it's removed. Yeah, those boots just come off. I want to say when I did mine, I just kind of kept it all in order. And I think that's a piece you're going to replace. Yeah, as you'll see in like actual how-to videos, like I said, that's not what this is. You'll see like that white little locking washer gets replaced with that black one, which is the cool thing about the SlingMod kit. It's already fitted for that, so it's really just popping these in and popping them off. Yeah, I want to say you just set that in. You just have to, you know, not move it. That's it.
She's stable. Is there a specific way that goes? Nope. I know that there's something about these two. That's what locks into place. Those little fans on them. Yeah. Those are turbo boosted headlights. That's it, they're in there.
Yeah, you want to make sure that wire is always facing down. That's how you know it's in the correct position. That's on the back there.
We made sure they were twisted the right way, so the the wire is going down, right? Wire's supposed to be facing down. Yeah.
Because that keeps the brights pointed in the right direction. I think the brights are supposed to be on top. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And you also want to make sure you have those pins in a good position. That's in the plug, the female part of it, and so you don't jam it all crazy like Ryan ends up doing on this and correcting itself. Kick your own.
Lisa Left Eye Lopez.
Wait, is that her last name? Lopez?
I think so.
Improvement. Nice. And we just do the same to the other side. You can see like this lighting up white, that side lighting up just yellowed. Yeller. Don't need this. So on this one, we'll just have to make sure that the prong is straight.
Yeah.
Before you start shoving it in there.
I was pushing the harness apart is what was happening. I was pushing the harness like into oblivion. As long as you don't get any fingerprints on those old bulbs, yeah, they'll work. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm. That's the first thing it tells you to do is not put your finger.
I've done that to a car.
No, you can't do that.
So it looks like these two go down actually.
Mm-hmm.
This locks in with a clockwise motion. From discontinued.
It would be cool to have in the morning when everyone shows up.
But this time, I'm gonna plug in first. Yeah, that's not lined up, so. That isn't lined up. There it is. Bling bling. Crank her up. Wow. Wow.
Those are the old rings, like I said. The black ones are the ones that SlingMod replaces those with. And that's the bad boy. Once you get a Ryker, I say before you even get your Ryker, just already have those on order from China. You can get like a whole pack of them for like $8.
For wiring harnesses to go.
Yeah. See, this is all the stuff that was. So there's all kinds of stuff that was supposed to come on it, and then be wired through these things. No, that's just how I feel about Rykers. It's like there's so much stuff that should be OEM. Like the hand guards with the lights, they probably utilize those. No, you can't do both. It's either one or the other.
I feel like that one looks the best, to be honest, just aesthetic wise.
Really?
Oh man, it's that font, dude.
Yeah.
It
Like I
won't
said,
last anyways, because it's like a
not a how-to video.
Think it's
Definitely just a video of us doing that. And if you've seen any other videos, it's pretty much just us doing it. But one cool thing about this was like the night before we did a really cool ride out to College Station to the Ollie store and a couple other things. So look forward to that coming out. Appreciated all the subscribers and people that have just been watching. Stay tuned for more stuff.
Yeah, you're right, dude. That was a good call. That looks way too cool.